Alright, what's up guys? This quick tutorial is going to show you how to install the software required for my web car. Firstly, open up your browser and input the URL that's in the description. Then you want to hit the code button and press download as zip. Once you have downloaded the file, you can put it wherever you want and extract it. Also, you can delete the old zip file once you've extracted it. Now before you continue, you need to make sure you have Node.js installed. To check this, you can open up a command prompt window and type node-v. If you see a version, that means you have it. If not, there's some videos linked in the description to show you how to install it. So taking a look inside of the folder, these are all the files that you'll need. Server.js contains the web server that will be run by your machine. Client contains all of the files that will be sent to your web browser. So in order to set it up, you need to run the setup_1 first, which is simply npm init, which initializes the npm project. You should see a screen like this. All you need to do is keep pressing enter until the window goes away. Next up is setup2. This one installs Express, which is required for the web server. Just run it and wait till it closes by itself. That's it. The run.bat just contains node server.js, which runs the server files. Whenever you run that, this command prompt window will open and show ready, which means that the server is up and running. And if you go to the web browser and enter localhost :844, it'll bring up this screen, and that means that you've installed it successfully. To stop the web server, simply close the command prompt window. Now if you need to change the port for whatever reason, head into server.js, go down to the bottom on line 78 and change this value to whatever port you want. Then head into the client folder, the JS folder, main.js, and at the top change the port to the same value as you specified in the server.js. After recording that previous segment, I encountered an issue where the file would open up and then close instantly. I solved this by going into Visual Studio Code and taking a look at the console output, and sure enough the port was already in use. So if you encounter this issue, try changing the port. One more thing I'd like to add is that this car is pretty simple and easily modifiable. You could use the microcontroller for another vehicle and it should still work as long as you configured everything properly. Also, with the LiDAR, it can use just one distance sensor or two or three, it doesn't matter, as long as you've connected them to the correct distance inputs. Alright, that's pretty much it, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comments of this video, on the workshop post, or message me on Discord, either one works. I'll probably be updating this at some point, but the GitHub will always have the newest version.